Good morning, dudettes, ladies and gents and ladies. It's your boy Dick Cernano with our third video. We about to go meet up with. He is on a CBR 600. We're gonna go meet up with him. Go take a little trip, and then after that, I gotta go to the gym because I ate too many Christmas cookies. 2025 is gonna be our year. It's gonna be everybody's year, man. Go out and get it. You want money? Go get it. You want power? Go get it. Just go get it. You on a motorcycle? Guess what? Go get it. Nobody is stopping you from doing you how you do you but you. Ooh, she sounds beautiful. Look at this, man. The sun is shining yet again, man. Another day. The sun is shining. The birds are twerking. A beautiful, beautiful day. Woo! Oh, baby, a triple. Oh, the ball. Oh, yo, that just had me bouncing up. Oh, hold up. It did make me just come out of my seat though. That's crazy. We got a full tank of gas. A full tank of gas. Let's go, baby. Get up. Get up, baby. Let's go. Alright, slow down. I feel very motivated today, man. I drank some pre-workout. I'm going to the gym today after this little ride. It's definitely going to be a quick one because it's cold. And this helmet gets way too much air. So I'm freezing right now. Don't let nobody trick you in thinking that if you get a motorcycle, you're going to save money on gas. Like, yes, it only costs me like $3 to fill, but $3 every 2 days, you know, until you get paid again. So if you get paid twice a week, $3 for 14 days, 14 times 3, sometimes 4, 5 if it's like empty, but so 3 times 14, you know, 12, you know, you know what I'm saying? So it's like $40-some. As much as filling up a car. So don't let nobody trick you. You're probably gonna say you spending a little less, maybe, depending on the rider. But for the most part, you're spending the same. It is and cold. Oh no! Oh! God. Well, I do got some good news. Next week, when I get paid, I'm gonna go ahead and buy the eliminator kit, the rear kit for the tail light. So that's gonna be pretty cool. I get to put it on, record it, some content besides riding. Who convinced me to come out like this and ride? Because that is insane. Oh. So hey, yeah, come on riding in the freezing cold. It's 40 degrees outside, but when you're riding it feels like it's 20. Good, come on. Come outside, you know? Let's do it. Almost tripped on a rock. Oh, okay. Look at, bro. hands are freezing. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to go in there, see if they got gloves, because this is crazy. Oh my god, hold on. I think I'm gonna tell this dude to like cancel. Hold on, because there ain't no way. There he is, he's here. And he got the GoPro, let's go. Alright, 1 second, guys. We're gonna CBR me on my 8R. Oh, it's freezing out here. Super cold, super cold, super cold. You wanna lead? Go, puppy. I can't hear you, but alright. AKA Pookie. It's freezing outside, I can't lie. This is insane. I keep on saying it because it is. It's cold. Hey, bro's on his phone, he doesn't have his hands on the steering wheel. What? Something smells a little burny. I think he's trying to tell me something. Oh, he didn't buckle his helmet. Hey, buddy, you didn't put your seatbelt on. This sounds so good. Note to self and others: do not ride when it is 40 degrees below. Hello. See, if you would have had a car, though, you would have heard all that. You wouldn't understand. You would have heard it. Somebody smells like tacos. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. I'll catch up. I'll catch up to you, Pookie. Don't worry. No, you really notice a lot of things when you're not inside of a car. You notice like how people can't drive. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, you committed to this lane instead of like turning in that lane sooner when there's a whole bunch of traffic. Like, what are you doing? Wait, did he turn? Oh no. What are you doing? God, these people can't make that. Lord, I swear, some people. I can touch the ground with my left leg, but my right leg I can't. That's weird.
Making all this traffic?
What happened?
I wondered what was making all this traffic.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's probably only part of the problem.
No, I can't.
It's lunch rush.
Huh?
It's lunchtime rush.
Okay. Pop, 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 pop. Shots fired. but your left turning signals go straight. That's very smart of you. I like people that do that. It just makes sense. You know?